Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a side-by-side video template in CapCut. So if your video is portrait like this, you are going to just go to format, choose the 1x1, and then just going to put this video to the left. Then I'm going to add another video simply by selecting overlay, add overlay, and I'm just going to add the other video. Select add, and I'm just going to wait for it to load for a few seconds. My internet isn't that well, and like my videos are on iCloud, so then I'm just going to make this a little bit like larger, like bigger. And then there you have it. The video is now side by side, as you can see. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!